Hi guys, it is with marketplace.com, and on today's video I'm gonna show you a website that has been there for a while. I just saw it a few days ago. I heard about it, but I've never spent the time to check it out on how you can actually make money by uploading videos. It's very similar to YouTube, but it's not YouTube. It's a website called Steemit. So before we go ahead and start on this video and show you a little bit on how you can make money with Steemit, let me go ahead and ask you, if you haven't already, to click the subscribe button that is located on the right side of this video as you go along. It would be an honor to have you with me on this channel to get your feedback and get your comments. And without further ado, let's go ahead and start this video about Steemit, guys. Alright, I was watching the other days how this guy make about 300,000 euros, actually USD, last year using Steemit. So like, how they do it? How is it possible to do this? And then I heard Steemit before in the past, but I never pay attention. So what is Steemit? Steemit is something, so as I said guys, it's very similar to YouTube. You're uploading videos, but you are able to get money based on the votes when people are voting your content. When somebody watches your video and gives comments and upvoting, like upvoting means giving thumbs up, like in YouTube, you're getting paid. So you can say, let's say for example, this guy for this video already got $359.92. He's getting 2,309 votes, and he got 132 comments. So based on this one, you're getting paid. But now the nice part is that you don't, this what you see here is not actual USD dollars, it's Steemit dollars. And it's Steemit, guys. As you start as a newbie. There's different levels. So the top level is a whale. So if you go to Steemit and you go to the frequently asked questions, and you can check for the hierarchy, like who's the top. The people who has been there for a long time, it's a whale. And those, when these people on the top are giving you, they have more steam power, this is what it's called. And when these guys are giving you a thumbs up or a vote, a positive vote or a comment, that give you a more credit and more bonus. And you go all the way down, you have dolphins and so on, where you go to the small one, which is one of the little name of the fishes here, I can't recall. And you can see people here that are fresh, they're new, they're just starting, and they using the blogs and everything. You can see that they are just going ahead through the blog, they're giving comments to each other to start to generating some income out of this. So you can see these guys, they're just starting up, and they already have some money coming in from their account. So you can go and see the different levels of hierarchy. I think the little ones is called minors, I'm not 100% sure, but the top ones for sure is the whale. So if a whale gives you a comment or upload your video, that means you're getting a lot of all the maximum money. So, and the money you see is not actual dollars. The steam power comes to the tokens, it comes to cryptocurrency, guys. So you're getting paid in cryptocurrency. So you can do this from anywhere around the world, guys. It doesn't matter if you're in India or Iraq, Iran, countries that usually Africa, countries that usually they are not allowed for some reason for some of the major sites. You are able to use it because you paid in cryptocurrency, and you are able to do this. So that's one major reason I wanted to show you this as well today, that you are able to use this site. It's called Steemit. All the links will be located below this video, so you can start creating content, guys. You can start uploading from there and pay some time, some effort, and you'll be able to generate income by go up on the level of the hierarchy of Steemit. Be patient, start beating this, and you start getting content, and content that is getting paid, which is the most important thing. So this is what I wanted to show you guys today. Steemit.com. All the links will be located below. I hope you like the content of this video. If you do, don't forget to click the thumbs up, and I will ask you, if you haven't already, to subscribe on my channel. It would be an honor to have you on my channel and get your feedback as well. And stay tuned for the next video that is coming shortly. Thank you so much, guys. Enjoy your day. Have fun. Bye bye. Thank you, guys.